Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you on how to know your YouTube channel performance using socialblade.com. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. As a YouTuber, it is very important that we are able to know the performance of our YouTube channel. It is very essential, primarily how we can improve our channel to attract more subscribers and viewers. So it becomes the basis on how much we can earn in our YouTube channel and how our channel becomes popular and we become an influencer. So one of the website that I have discovered that we can check the performance of our channel is socialblade.com. So what is good about socialblade.com is that it allows us to check the performance of our YouTube channel and other channels in YouTube, influencers and so on and so forth. Now here, let us check my channel. So basically I created this channel way back December 2012. However, during the time I don't have yet some urge and desire to upload videos most frequently. It was started around actually 2017 or 2018 that I take my career as a YouTuber more seriously. So at present time I have 1,524 uploads and then I have 3,044 subscribers and my video views is 409,311. My country of origin is PH, means Philippines. My channel type is education. So we can see here in the last 30 days there are 210 subscribers and then I have here estimated monthly earning $10 to $159 estimated, and then video views is around 39,082 and then estimated yearly earnings is around $119 up to $1,900 estimated yearly earnings. So as you can see here, from January of 2022 it is very slow, and then there is a significant increase of video views by September up to now. There is an increase. So subscribers, and then subscribers is also increased significantly, here. Okay, by month of October 2021, so on and so forth, 2022. So what is the implication of using this kind of tool? It helps me to know how I can improve my channel by detailed statistics, user summary, and then the number of views and estimated earnings, which encourage me to continue my YouTube channel. So let's say, for example, if we want to search, let's say about CNN. So CNN, the channel of CNN, we have here 156,360 uploads, 14.4 million subscribers. So their monthly earning is very huge. We have here 62,600 or to 1 million monthly earnings. So their estimated yearly earning is 751,100 to up to $12 million. So it's ranked news United States 13th. So because of their content and so many subscribers, they can achieve this earnings. Okay, so another example, we have here Rafi Tulfo, a very popular broadcaster in the Philippines. So comedy rank. We don't have the I think this one is the old one, no? I think the original is Rapid Tulfo in action. Yes, this one. This is the original channel, no? So, around country of origin Philippines, and then fifth, no, in ranking, no? So we have here the monthly earnings is around $1.1 million, and then yearly the maximum is $13.1 million, no? So we can see, no, its social blade ranking is 470, and then they have 300k subscribers, no, for the last 30 days. So again, if you are a YouTuber just like me, whether you are a very popular or not, socialblade.com can help us a lot to view the performance of our channel. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.